Alright, this is my cousin Reese and Volleyball's brother burping part of his ABCs. Go, Reese. Cute.
Brother.
Learn your ABCs, experience, and learn how to burp on contact. I wish I could do that.